Hey there, book lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of psychology with the Little Book of Psychology, an introduction to the key by authors Emily Ralls and Caroline Riggs. This book, published in 2021, is a fantastic starting point for anyone interested in exploring the fascinating field of psychology. From the outset, Ralls and Riggs establish a clear objective: to provide readers with a foundational understanding of psychology without overwhelming them with jargon or excessive detail. This intent is evident in the book's structure, which is thoughtfully organized into succinct chapters that each tackle essential topics within the field. Whether delving into cognitive processes, developmental stages, social dynamics, or abnormal psychology, the authors maintain a balance between breadth and depth, ensuring that readers gain a holistic view without feeling inundated. One of the standout features of this book is its accessibility. The authors employ straightforward language and lucid explanations, making intricate concepts comprehensible even to those without prior exposure to psychological studies. For instance, when exploring the intricacies of memory, Ralls and Riggs adeptly break down the stages of encoding, storage, and retrieval, supplemented by relatable examples that illustrate how these processes manifest in everyday life. This approach not only facilitates understanding but also fosters an appreciation for the practical applications of psychological theories. Moreover, the inclusion of real-world examples and case studies significantly enhances the book's engagement factor. By contextualizing theoretical ideas within familiar scenarios, the authors enable readers to see the relevance of psychology in various aspects of human behavior and societal interactions. This method proves particularly effective in chapters addressing social psychology, where discussions on group dynamics and interpersonal relationships are anchored in observable phenomena, thereby bridging the gap between abstract theory and tangible reality. The visual aids scattered throughout the book further bolster its instructional value. Diagrams, charts, and illustrations serve as complementary tools that reinforce textual content, catering to visual learners and aiding in the retention of information. These elements are seamlessly integrated, ensuring that they enhance rather than disrupt the flow of the narrative. One of the standout features is the book's focus on real-life examples and case studies, bringing psychology to life and making it relatable. The authors have done an excellent job of explaining key concepts in a way that's easy to understand, without sacrificing depth or accuracy. So, if you're curious about psychology and want to dive into the basics, The Little Book of Psychology is a must-read. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more book reviews and recommendations. Happy reading!